Hello, this is Hunter Constant from the channel Hack and Mod. Today we'll be installing RAM into your brand new PC. Now, whether you're building a new one or just trying to upgrade your home computer, it's a quite easy process. Now, the computer we're going to be working on will have only two buttons that you need to press to be able to open up the side component. Now, it's also accessible in some models by unscrewing some of the screws on the back. Now, once you have it open, you're going to see some little green chips inside, okay, on a giant board. The board is called the motherboard. Now, those chips are the RAM slots. That's what you're going to be upgrading. I'm going to show you how to do this.
31 seconds.
There you have it. Your PC is now upgraded with some more efficient RAM. Thank you for watching this segment on Hack and Mod. Please stay tuned for more Hackintosh videos by yours truly, the Ginger Nerd, Hunter Constant. Adios, my friends.
31 seconds. 31 seconds.